This is a continuation of the section on quadratic formula. This is the part where we talk about finding the discriminant. Okay, the discriminant is the expression under the radical sign. It's b squared minus 4ac. That's called the discriminant. The discriminant is used to determine the number of solutions. What we can do is we can solve the discriminant and find out how many solutions it's going to have or how many x-intercepts it's going to have. All right? If the answer to the discriminant is a negative number, all right, that means we have 0 x-intercepts. If the discriminant equals 0, that means we have 1 x-intercept. And if the discriminant is a positive number, you will get 2 x-intercepts. So the expression under the square root sign, b squared minus 4ac, solve it. Okay? If it's negative, that means you have 0 solutions. If it equals 0, that means you have 1 solution. If it equals positive, it means you have 2 solutions. Okay? All it is that's under the square root sign in the quadratic formula, which you remember is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Remember quadratic formula?
Wait, so we using it on that?
Okay. No, all you use is what's under the radical sign, under the square root sign. B squared minus 4ac. Okay? You take that part, okay, solve for it. If you look, we have x squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay? So what would b be? 2. What's 2 times 2? 4. Okay? Times negative 4 times a, what's a? 1. What is c? 5. What's 4 times 5? 20. What's 4 minus 20? Negative 16. Since it's negative, all right, it means it does not have an x-intercept. Okay? Same thing here. Plug in this for b, plug in this for c, plug in 1 for a. You'll get 0. When you do that, all right, you get x-intercept. Which I think the numbers should be different, but I messed up here. This should be plus 10x right here, and that should be 25. Okay, that will give you 0 when you plug it in. This should be 2x squared minus 7x plus 2. Okay, if you plug those in, the b squared minus 4ac, you'll get 33. Okay. Yeah. I copied the formula over and I was supposed to change it. Okay. Alright, you need to write this down. I have a question you'll see today. It says state the value of the discriminant of 4x squared plus 5x equals negative 3. Then determine the number of real solutions. So what we need to do is we need to find the value of the discriminant, which discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. First thing we need to do is make this into quadratic equation. This is not standard yet. So we need to add 3 to both sides. Move it over. So this is 4x squared plus 5x plus 3 equals 0. This is quadratic equation. Okay? So we added 3 to both sides. Okay, that made this. Now I can use this. Alright, so what is my b? Someone raise your hand, tell me my b. Raise your hand. Cameron. What is b? Cameron? It's not, it's 5, because remember, it's ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Alright, so 5 squared minus 4 times a. What is a, Cameron? 4. Caleb, what would c be?
3.
It would be 3. It's a number by itself. C is always by itself. 4. The a is always in front of x squared. B is always in front of x. So 5 times 5 is 25. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 4 is 48. Okay. What's 25 minus 48? Negative 23. Okay, that is the value of the discriminant. That's part of the answer. It also says determine the number of real solutions. Since it is negative, okay, there are 0 solutions. Okay, because the answer is negative, the value of the discriminant is negative, there is no solution. Okay, write down this. 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. State the value of the discriminant of 2x squared plus 11x plus 15. So I need to do b squared minus 4ac. Go for it, Shane. What's b squared?
We're going to start out with 11 squared. Alright, and that's 121 minus 4 times 2 times 15. And if you add the 4 and the 2 and the 15, you will get 120.
You mean if you multiply?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
How do you get 100? How do you get that?
I multiplied 15 times 2, which is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. Yeah. And then I subtract, and then I know it's a positive number, so I have 2 solutions.
Yeah. What he said.
State the value of the discriminant bx squared minus 30x plus 25. So
30x2. I meant 32.
32.
you mean 30? You mean negative 30 squared?
Same difference.
It is not.
What would that be? Check it. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times.
I don't know.
What is negative 30 times?
2.
You said 3 times 3.
I got that
And
wrong.
add the zeros.
Okay. What is 4 times 25?
100.
100. What's 9 times 100?
900.
What's
0.
so? How many solutions does this have?
One solution.
Kill him.
Kill it.
There's your answer. All right, here's your homework.